soothe our senses and express deep human emotions. To grace our podium with a creative poetry recitation, I invite Tekbina.
Tomorrow can smile. We do not own this earth. We borrow it with care. From children yet unborn, whose dreams are waiting yet. A seed we plant today becomes tomorrow's tree. A single act of kindness grows into harmony. Save today so tomorrow can smile. Love the earth, inspire home all the while. Let rivers sing, let forests cry. Let every heart believe that hope is built by what we give, not only by what we receive. The greatest gift we leave behind is not our wealth of faith, but a greener world, a kinder world, remembering our youth. Save today so tomorrow can smile. Love the earth, inspire home all the while. Thank you all.
Now, it is time to spark a creative and analytical survey simultaneously. Our section has really staged a realistic classroom discussion, discussing things which we can implement right here on our campus related to sustainable development. Please pay close attention to each and every single line because the quiz questions will be based directly on what you hear on stage. Please welcome them with a warm round of applause.
Hey, did you know the concept of sustainable development was first officially defined back in 1987 in a famous global report called Our Home and Future?
Wait, 1987? That's way back. But it always sounds like a massive textbook policy. What are we supposed to do about it during the school period?
It's not just for government. It balances three specific pillars: the environment, the economy, and society. And it's happening right here in our campus. True, look, right outside the window, our school is actively installing heavy-duty rainwater harvesting system to save groundwater.
Wow, I noticed that construction. But what can we actually control before we leave the room and dismiss it?
We can easily follow the AC MCB protocols, flipping the main circuit switch breaker down and shutting classroom door tiles so that the cool air stays trapped inside for tomorrow morning. That is an amazing hack. Another new step is launching digital homework drive to cut down all the physical assignment paper waste every single term.
Brilliant! So it's not a textbook chapter. It's the 17 distinct global goals translated into small, everyday choices we make inside our corridors.
And that, friends, is where all of us come into the equation.
These small steps might not sound huge or difficult, but it is everyone on campus does them together. It is a massive human impact.